Okay, class, so we're going to run through these questions, right, to finish up the teaching notes for quadrilateral. Okay, so in the parallelogram ABCD, okay, DAB is 125. So find BCD and ABC. Okay, so from here, you can find angle BCD equals to 125 degrees. Why? Because these are the opposite sides. Of a parallelogram. Okay, then next one we have angle ABC equals to 180 minus 125, which will give us 55. Okay, so this is because interior angles, right, and it's because these two are parallel, right? So AD is parallel to BC. Okay, so quite simple. So anything you're not sure, all these follow the order of the shadow pair. So this is shadow pair 1. Right, so you can actually refer here and get your answer. Okay, next one. Kite ABCD has AB. So all these are isosceles. Technically, we draw a line here. Right, this is one isosceles triangle. Right, then this is another one. Okay, so with that, they ask you to find ABD. ABD is here, right? And then also find CBD. So this is another one. Okay, so very simple because they are isosceles, right? So it's angle CBD. Angle ABD equals to 180 degrees minus 80, then divide by 2, right? Because this is a isosceles triangle. So from here you get 100 degrees divided by 2 equals to 50 degrees. Right, that's your answer for the first one. Then this angle CBD is 180 degrees minus 50 degrees divided by 2, because it's the same thing, isosceles triangle, right? So 130 divided by 2, 65 degrees. Okay, then the next one, in rhombus ABCD, the diagonals meet at E. Okay, so AE is 2x plus 4, CE is 12. So since the two lengths are the same, right? So AE equals to CE, right? So this only for rhombus, right? So these are the diagonals, right? So they're actually all the same length. So 2x plus 4 equals to 12. Okay, so it's minus 4, minus 4. 2x equals to 8. Then you divide by 2 equals to 4. Okay, so quite easy, same as here. Okay, right? Oh no, not this one. This one. Okay, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Right. Okay, so remember to write it down. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Okay, right, then the last one, in a parallelogram PQRS. So let's say we'll draw our own parallelogram PQRS. So PQR is 68 degrees. So find the other three angles. Okay, so this one also quite simple. So we know that they are parallelogram, right? Okay, so we can say that PQR is 68. That means QRS, so angle QRS equals to 180 degrees minus 68 degrees equals to 112 degrees, right? Because interior angles, right, PQ is parallel to SR. Okay, then we know that angle RSP equals to angle PQR equals to 68 because opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay, then after that, angle SPQ equals to angle QRS for the same reason, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay, so we have done all this. Okay, so we only left the challenge. So in the kite ABCD, right, so AB is equals to AD, so AB equals to AD. Okay, then CB and CD are the same. Okay, so ABC, this is 90 degrees actually, right? So means that here also 90 degrees. So while BAD is 140, okay, find BAC. Now, although this is a challenge, they already show the hint the four angles of quadrilaterals equate to 360. So, not much of a challenge since they already give you the hint. Right? So if these two are 90, right, it means that angle BAC, right, (360) minus 90 minus 90 minus 140. So 180, so you should get 40. So your reasoning is angles in a quadrilateral equals to 360 degrees. Okay, can? Okay, so fill out the checklist, then you should be fine. Right? Okay, you can also check answer here. Okay, then now we move on to polygons. Okay, let's move on to polygons. Okay, so shape guard, what should you notice first? Look for the shape clue before calculating. This makes the question feels less like a random algebra. Okay, so learn to recognize the different kind of polygons. Okay, but this one we're learning about interior angles of a polygon. Okay, so how does this work? So a polygon can be regular or irregular. Okay, but it usually has more than 4 sides. Okay, so from here, the total in sides. Now you need to know this formula: n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Alright, so pentagon is 540, hexagon, octagon. So 5-sided, 6-sided, 8-sided. For a missing angle, add the unknown angles and subtract from the total. Okay, so if you are given a polygon like this, okay, the questions usually they ask find the hidden angle, okay, or the unknown angle. Okay, now the reason of why this formula works, okay, is because if you try to cut this and divide this into triangles, 1, 2, okay, so you realize that I can only divide it into 3 triangles, okay, but how many sides are these? These are 5 sides. So n is actually number of sides. Alright, so 5 minus 2 will give me 3 triangles. Okay, now, does this work for all polygons? Yes, it does. So if you look at it this way, right, how many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many triangles can I make? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So the number of triangles you can draw in a polygon is always 2 less than the number of sides. Right? And every triangle is 180, right? So the total angle within the within a polygon is the number of triangles you can draw times 180 degrees, correct? Because each triangle is 180 degrees, so since there are 3, total angle of this polygon is 3 times 180 degrees. So since the number of triangles is always 2 less than the number of sides, that's why you have the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Okay, so from here what we're going to do is we take 5 minus 2 because number of sides is 5 minus 2 times 100. So this is the total angle within the polygon. We want to find x. Okay, we know the other 4 angles, so 540 minus the total, x equals to 90 degrees. So the method is the same here. Okay, the approach is the same here. Number of sides here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 180 degrees, so 4 times 180. Okay, 0, 4, then 32, so 720. Okay, so 720. Okay, then from here we got all the other angles plus x equals to 720. Okay, so from here we add everything together: 100, 210, 210, 330, 330, 330 is 460, 460, 500, 600. Okay, so we get 600 here. So again, minus 600 here, minus 600 here. Okay, I hope to stop doing this because you should know that when you bring over it's minus. So x is 120 degrees. Alright. Okay, so try this on your own first. Alright, pause the video, try this on your own first. Okay, it should be quite simple. Okay, then after that, let's go through. Okay, after trying it on your own, please pause the video and try this on your own first. Then now I'm going to explain. Okay, so find the sum of interior angles. So sum of interior angles. Okay, so you get the formula. 9 sides is 9 minus 2, right? Times 180 degrees. So you get 7 times 180 degrees. Okay, so you get 0. 7 times 8, 56, 6. 1, 2, 6, 0. Okay, wait, let me pull out my calculator. Okay, so it's 7 times 180. Yep. Okay, so this is correct answer. Okay, interior angles of a polygon add up to 180 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? Okay, so we know that the number of polygons is the total is 180 degrees. So now we have to work backwards. So you see the hint here. So n minus 2 times 180 equals to 1080. So first things first, what we can do is we divide by 180 on both sides. Alright, 1, 1. So divide by 9 will be 2, divide by 9 will be 1, 2. Okay, so n minus 2 equals to 6. So here the reverse will be what? Plus 2, plus 2. Okay, so in the end we will have n equals to 8. Okay, so how many sides does the polygon have? It is 8. Okay. Can? Okay, let's move on. Regular polygons, inside angle and number of sides. Okay. Now regular means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So just now those two polygons that we are dealing with, they are not equal. Okay, they are not equal because you can see the lengths and angles are all different. Right, but regular means all the lengths are the same, all the angles are the same. Now find each inside angle of a regular decagon. So decagon would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-sided. Okay, so okay, you don't need to memorize all these. Just be familiar with at least up to hexagon and octagon. Okay, find inside angle of a regular decagon. Now we know that the total number of sides is 10, right? So since the total angles inside is 1440, so 1440 divided by 10, each internal angle here is 144. Okay, now most of the time we don't use the term inside angle and outside angle. Okay, rather it's actually supposed to be interior angle. Not sure why the AI changed it here. Interior angle, exterior angle. So this is my interior angle. Okay, this is interior. Okay, this is my exterior. Okay, so it shouldn't be audio. I think we have to change a lot. Interior is exterior. Okay, so exterior angle be 180 minus 154 equals to 24. Number of sides. Okay, each angle of a rectangular angle. Oh, okay, so these two questions are actually not related. Okay, so now they say that each interior angle is 156. Find the number of sides. So this one is not for this not for this diagram. It's a separate question. Okay, so let's say you have another question that says another polygon where every internal angle is 156. They ask you to find the number of sides. Now if we want to use interior angle, we don't know the total number of interior angle here because we don't know the number of sides. But total exterior angle, okay, total exterior angle of any polygon always equals to 360. It means that if let's say I have a polygon here, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every exterior angle, when I add together, right, when I add all the exterior angles together, they should all equals to 360. Okay, they should all equals to 360. Okay, so even for this one, if I were to take this 10-sided figure, I add all the exterior angles together. Okay, I add all the exterior angles together. Okay, it should all equals, add up together should be 360. Okay, so find the inside angle of a regular hexagon. Okay, hexagon is 6-sided, so minus 2 is 4. 4 times, so we know it's 720 degrees. Each inside angle, so we know it's 6-sided, so 720 divided by 6 will give me 120. So each angle here is 120. Now, how about finding the outside angle? Okay, now the next question, if another polygon, this is for another polygon, each inside angle is 160. Okay, this is another polygon. Okay, so this one also, this is another polygon. Okay. Okay, so find the number of sides. Okay, so we want to find the outside angle or exterior angle, not outside angle, exterior angle. It's interior. Okay, so we want to find the outside angle, exterior angle, right? We know that the interior angle is 160, right? So our exterior angle will be 180 minus 160, which will be 18 degrees. So we know that total sum of exterior angles is 360, right? So we take 360 divided by 18, we should get 20. So there are 20 sides. Okay, number of sides is 20 sides, right? Okay, let's move on. Hopefully you start to get it. Okay. Yeah, so we'll cover up to here, right? And actually this is the end of polygons, right? So move on to do move on to do the congruency. Oh, I should have given you similarity as well. Okay, in any case, never mind. Okay, so they ask you to find the interior angle of a regular polygon with 12 sides. Okay, so in here, find the total first, then divide by 12. So total interior angle. Okay, pause first, try on your own, then unpause first, and then check answer. Total interior angle equals to total interior angle equals to 12 sides, right? So it's 12 minus 2, 180. So it will be 10 times 180, 1800 degrees. Okay, so one interior angle. Okay, size of one interior angle. Okay, you get 1800 divided by 12. Okay, so this will give me 150. Okay, so this polygon or 12 sides, each interior angle is 150 degrees. Okay, now they tell you that each interior angle of a regular polygon is 180. Find the number of sides. Okay, so following the previous example, we need to find the exterior angle. So exterior angle 180 minus 108 will give me 72 degrees. So we know that the total exterior angle is 360, right? So number of sides 360 divided by 72 degrees. Okay, so from here you get 360 divided by 72 degrees. It will be 5 sides. Alright, okay, then moving on. Okay, so now this part is actually we've already covered. Okay, so the order for this AI worksheet is a bit iffy. Okay, but anyways, as long as everything that you need to know is covered, it's fine. Exterior angles of any polygon add to 360 degrees. For a regular polygon, each exterior is this is what we just said. 360 divided by number of sides. Inside angle, outside angle is 180 degrees. Okay, so find each exterior angle of a rectangular pentagon. Pentagon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So each exterior will be 360 divided by 5 equals to 72. Very simple. Okay, if the exterior angle is 30, 360 divided by 30, 12. Okay, so find each exterior angle of a regular octagon. Octagon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 360 divided by 8. Okay, you get 45 degrees. Okay, number of sides equals to 360 divided by 40. Alright, well, this is the second question. So if each exterior angle is 40 degrees, okay, so 360 divided by 40 will be 9 sides. Okay, quite simple, very easy. Alright, so pause here, try the questions on your own first, then after that unpause, then take a look at it. Okay, now they say the exterior angles of polygon are 60, 50, 80, x, and 90. So find x. So needless to say, 60 plus 50 plus 80 plus x plus 90 should all equals to 360. So add together 60 plus 90, 150. 150 plus 50 is 200, 280. 280 plus x equals to 360. Okay, so x equals to 360 minus 280. 60 minus 80 is 80. Okay, so x equals to 80. Now from here, they say each interior angle is 150. Find each exterior angle. So exterior angle will be 180 minus 150, 30 degrees. The number of sides, so we know the exterior angle, so B, number of sides will be 180 degrees divided by, 360 degrees divided by 30. Okay, so you will get 12 sides. Okay, so relatively easy, right? Oh, okay, so this one doesn't have the 7 questions at the end. All of them is after that. Okay, so we finished the portion on the polygons. So we will start congruency tomorrow. Alright. Okay, if I can understand,